What's up guys, UnboxSingh here, back with another video, and we've got something new today. This is the new Samsung J4. It's been released recently. So this phone has popped up with 3 GB of RAM, with having 32 GB of memory, 13 megapixel camera, rear one. The front has 5 megapixel camera and has a 3000 mAh battery. Includes a HD Super AMOLED display and even has a front flash. Yes, it does have a front flash. So this phone is priced at 12,900. I got it for 12,000. So let's unbox this up and let's see. That was easy. So the J4 written, Samsung Galaxy J4, 32 GB, made for India. This is the gold color. Okay, I guess I have to peel this off as well. Maybe on the sides, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is the phone. It has a fingerprint scanner as well. This is the gold color. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Oh, kind of a booklet. Smart guide, manuals. Oh, it's written in Hindi. Right, I think these are just the manuals. Let's put them aside. This is what gets in the box. We have headphones, regular Samsung headphones. I don't know why. And we've got the micro USB for the charger. And we've got the battery as well. So this is a 3000 mAh battery. You can see, wait, let me open this up. Yes, you can see 3000 mAh battery, right? And we have what is left is the charger. This is a regular travel adapter with 5V output. That's it, that's everything in the box. So let me show you the gold phone color. Let's unwrap this up. Okay, it's a good phone, I guess. Yeah, it's a good phone. Let me just put the battery and just turn it on. See if it has some juice. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy J4 powered by Android. Okay, let's see the physical of the phone. The headphone jack here, micro USB here, on and off switch, volume rockers, the fingerprint scanner here, the button. Okay, it's taking time to power on. Starting Android. It still has 37% of juice either. Okay, I'll do this all the, have to insert the SIM card. I don't think unless it will be turned on. Anyways, that's all. That's the unboxing of the new Samsung J4. This is the gold color, the 32 gig variant. That's it. That's for now. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, share. Thank you guys.